All right, let's look at a few of these problems. We're talking about a volume of prisms and pyramids, and here we have one pyramid, a rectangular pyramid. This is a rectangular pyramid. So then I know that we have this equation. Um, volume is equal to, the way the formula chart shows you is like this. Okay. I like to kind of rewrite it and to show up in this format. Volume is equal to the area of the base times the height divided by 3. It's the same thing as that. Okay, I just like to show it this way. Now, I know that capital B, that's the area of the base. Well, this base happens to be rectangle. So that means that I can actually change this. It's the area of the base. So in case you don't remember, that's the area of the base. Okay, the area of the base, the capital B. And so my capital B is actually just like in the lower grade levels. We have length times width. So this is just length times width, and then of course times height divided by 3. So then I look at the pyramid, length times width, and then of course this is the height. So then it's just 11 times 10 times 6 divided by 3. Now we can create shortcuts here by, can I divide 11 by 3 real quick? Probably not. You'll probably get a decimal. So 10 divided by 3, also you're going to get a decimal. But 6 divided by 3, you can. 6 divided by 3 is 2. That way you can cancel the division. I like to get rid of division as soon as I can. And so I get rid of it by dividing first. And so now 11 times 10 is 110. And then 110 times 2 is 220. Which happens to be my answer. Okay, I will do this one. And you have to do this one, number 14. Same process. Number 15 there. A board game. It says a board game includes 10 identical pieces, each shaped like a cube. The edge length of these cubes is 4. What is the combined volume of the 10 game pieces? So you have a cube. What do we know about a cube? Well, a cube, by definition, has all sides are the same. They're congruent. So that means that if this is 4, this is also 4, this is also 4. A cube is a rectangular, can also be named the rectangular prism. That means that we can use this equation. Volume is equal to the area of the base times the height. This is the area of the base. Okay, area of the base. And so now, since it's a rectangular prism, we can actually just write volume is equal to length times width times height. So we can actually, let me write here. Volume equals length times width times height. That's what we have. Well, length times width times height. So 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 . 6 times 4 is 24. 4 times 1 plus 2 is 64. So then each one of these is 64 cubic centimeters. Each one, 64 cubic centimeters. Okay, but they want the combined volume. So combined means plus of 10 of them. So each one is 64. Well, then to find 10, 64 times 10, which is 640 cubic centimeters. Okay. So number 15 is the same thing, except you might have only 2 books. And look, shaped like a rectangular prism. Same thing we have here. Length times width times height. Number 17 there, or the next one that I'm doing. Again, you have a bathtub in the shape of a rectangular prism. Okay, and this time they give you the volume. They give you the letter V. Is means equals. So this word means equals. So then volume equals 72 cubic feet. They're telling you. They're also telling you the area of the base is 24 square feet. So the area of the base means they're giving you the capital B. That's 24 square feet. So what they want you to find is what is the height. Well, write the equation first. The equation for a rectangular prism is just this. V equals B times H. Well, they give you the volume. They tell you the volume equals 72. So that's 72. Area of the base, the capital B, is 24. But we don't know the height. But we do know is that 24 times something, 24 times one of these, has to give you 72. So you can either try to guess, go backwards, work backwards and figure out, okay, 24 times which one. Multiply 24 times 6 and see if that gives you this. 24 times 9, 24 times 4, 24 times 3. One of these has to give you that. Or you can divide 72 divided by 24 to find the height. And so 72 divided by 24, well, let's try 24 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, 72. Well, guess what? We got 72. So it goes in 3 times. So then my height is equal to 3. Okay? And so do the same thing for the next one there. It's the same thing, same process, just the numbers change. Okay? And just follow that steps and you'll get the answer or the correct answer. All right. Good luck.